Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous kimono open abaya. So let's begin. You can see here I've already folded my fabric into 4. I'm using 3 meters of fabric altogether. The length of my kimono is 60 inches long. So from the folded edge, measure and mark 3 inches as shown. And then from this point, draw a line all the way to the bottom of the fabric. You can open the folded edge if you have one. Now carefully remove the inner layer as shown. And once you've done this, carefully cut the outer layer only at the 3-inch mark that you previously made. Be sure to keep this strip to the side, we'll be using it later. Now carefully collect your fabric and open it up. You should have 3 pieces, 1 big back piece and 2 smaller pieces for the front. You can pin them at the shoulders. And this is how your pattern should now look. Now take your strip, fold it in half, and then cut it in half. Now carefully place the strip as shown, and this will be the armhole. And repeat for the other side, and that's how the kimono should now look. Now take some chiffon fabric to complement your chosen fabric. I'm using a black one here. Measure 15 inches wide, and the length of this chiffon should be the same length as your kimono minus 10 inches. Then carefully cut this out. Now I tore my chiffon and I would definitely advise against. It's better to cut it to get a more cleaner finish. So here I'm trying to correct the mistake I made, and I'm just trimming the raw edges. So this chiffon piece will sit at the front of the kimono, just like so. If you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. It really does help me a lot. Now onto the sewing machine. Firstly, hem the front opening of the kimono. Once you've done this is how it should look. And do this on both sides. Now go ahead and stitch the shoulders, so the two front panels, stitch those to the back panel, right sides together. And repeat for the other panel. Now place these strips along the armhole. Remember, the fabric of the strips should be right sides out. Then place them as shown, right sides in, and then carefully pin together. Center the strip at the shoulder seam. Then carefully pin together. Repeat on the other side. And once you're pinned in position, you can stitch them into position. And this is how they should look. And repeat for the other side. Now once this is done, you can hem the sides of the kimono. And again repeat for the other side. Now to attach the chiffon strip, open the kimono neckline, find the center of the chiffon fabric, then pin it at the center of the neckline. As you position, make sure you create a small fold to hide the raw edge of the chiffon. Then continue to pin the chiffon fabric around the neckline, remembering to create a small fold to hide the raw edges. Now pin down 10 inches from the neckline point. And repeat for the other side. Once you've secured your chiffon, you can go ahead and stitch it into position. You do not need to hem your chiffon fabric. It usually doesn't shred or tear. And once you've done this is how your kimono should now look. Now you can finally hem to complete your kimono. And here's the final look. As you can see, you can style it out how you like it. And if you want, you can make your chiffon slightly longer, approximately 20 inches wide, and you should be able to turn it into a scarf as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. It really does help me out a lot, and I will see you next time.